Bam! Okay, it's time. A bit. E. Okay. Stop these things. I've been thinking about that thing for about 2 years now. Having a rotating arm inside the 360-degree rig. And tonight we're going to try it. Kim, what's the plan for today?
Playing with tubes.
We have a rotating arm and we're going to try to do some 360-degree light painting using the tube. It's going to spin around Kim, so it's going to be a bit more stable than my arm. Constant, yeah. I was thinking about something, is like we can have a few parts in French, or maybe learn some French-Canadian words with Kim Henry
good.
and Eric Paré. So today, the word we're going to learn is "why." Why? That's French-Canadian. That's not French from France. It's really French-Canadian. So it means, okay. Why? So practice with us. Why?
Why?
Why? We have a good project. Why?
Why?
We had good sushis for lunch. Why?
But why is like, it's okay. It's just...
But why is also the name of the cat. Oh.
Yeah. Oh.
Do you think she's going to become a YouTube superstar?
I hope so. The last one just popped. So the texture is better here.
Wow. Okay, I'm happy with that. Okay, do you want to explain the setup?
I think it would be better if you do it.
Okay, so quickly, this here is a bicycle flashlight mount, a flashlight, light painting brushes, fur plexi tool with 2 feathers. We have that rotating arm, smoke machine right there. And on the other side,
A monopod?
we have monopod and a flashlight, a very small acrylic. Well, that's the light painting brushes logo, and another feather. And inside the rig, what we have is Kim Henry. Inside of the usual 84 cameras. Wee-hee, wee-hee. Where's the cat? Where's the cat, Kim? Where's the cat? Where's the cat?
Minou?